Hey everyone, I'm Josh from DocuSign University. Welcome to Trainer Tips, where today I want to talk to you about one of the advanced recipient actions called Update Recipients. When you create an envelope, you can choose the action each recipient can take. Advanced recipient types are used when recipients need to perform more complex actions on their envelopes. Let's take a look at the option called Update Recipients.
Let's start by setting up an envelope. In your eSignature account, on the home page, let's create a new envelope. Next, we'll add a document to our envelope. For this example, we'll use an employee confidentiality agreement, which needs to be completed by both the employee and their manager. In this scenario, the sender prepares the envelope. They have the manager's details, but they don't know the employee's information. To address this, the sender will use the Update Recipients feature to assign the envelope to a HR representative. The HR representative can then review the envelope, enter in the employee details, and verify the manager's information before sending it for completion. Let's enter the details of our HR representative and select the Update Recipient actions. Note that a recipient who has been assigned the Update Recipient actions can review and update recipient information, but they can't add new recipients or change the routing order. Next, we need to click on Add Recipient and add the employee as a placeholder role. We'll leave the employee's details blank for now. Next, we'll click on Add Recipient and add the manager as a placeholder role. Since we know the details of the manager, we can enter in their details. Let's finish preparing our envelope by adding the fields that the employee and the manager should complete. And since our HR representative is assigned the Update Recipient actions, they will not be assigned any fields to complete. When the HR representative reviews the envelope, they will be presented with a pop-up, and it will be required for them to enter in the name and email address of the employee. In this scenario, the manager's details provided earlier are incorrect because the manager is on leave. The HR representative can use this opportunity to update the manager's information. Additionally, the HR representative can add or edit the private messages for both the employee and the manager, and also review the document. Once all the details are complete, the envelope will be routed to the employee.
And that's how you use the advanced recipient action called Update Recipients. I hope you found this training tip really useful. And for more information, please check out DocuSign University. Thanks.